हेलो कैसे हो आप सभी लोग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इन्फॉर्मेटिका। आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली गुड एंड यार nowadays the comments are flooded in my comment box about KIT phase 2 counseling, about the various option apart from KIT, various cheaper option or some budget college. People are asking, n number of people are asking where they should go, whether they should take this branch or not, and people are asking n number of questions related to this. So I thought let's start a video on this topic so that yes, my lots of audience get a better overview and better insight regarding all these things. So before starting the video, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm an IT guy, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, college to corporate experience, switching experience, and lots more that you can think regarding IT and all. सब कुछ के बारे में बताता हूँ, IT related आप जो भी सोच सकते हो. So let's start the video, and before starting the video, I'd like to tell one thing that yes, I will be covering all the points about this topic. Still, if you want any personal one-to-one interaction, you can just go in my bio or in my description box over there, one-to-one connect session. Link is there. From there you can book a slot for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes and 60 minutes so that we can connect over a call, and yes, you can clear up your personal doubt on personal level. But yes, regarding this thing I will be covering all the points in this video only. तो चलो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, राइट नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर केट phase 2 allotment and phase 2 counseling fees submission. Many of the people are asking and thinking that whether they should submit 75,000 or not. What are the other options available apart from KIT in a budget option, budget good option? So yes, first of all, I would like to tell and compare about why KIT over ITR or why ITR over KIT. See, everyone has their own personal choices. That's why I have kept one-to-one connect also. See, KIT, I have multiple times I have told that the ROI, the fees that KIT is charging, the only thing that I don't like, that is around 20 lakhs, and that's too much for a candidate to pay for a BTech degree. Yes, it's too much. Apart from that, if I'm telling about KIT, all the things are in a positive terms if I'm comparing with any of the other random private engineering college of Odisha, because in KIT you will be getting a lots of opportunities. In fact, the kind of infrastructure that KIT is having cannot be beat by any of the colleges in Odisha. Even it is having one of the best infrastructure in private university across India. You can say it's having a great exposure, great infrastructure, great laboratories, great experimental hub. Everything is there in KIT. The thing that is missing is like a kind of environment. I am talking about. Like, see, it totally depends on which environment you are living and how you can use the potential that are available around you. Many times it may be like that there are resources but you are not able to use it because the kind of environment doesn't allow you to do so. There are cases. Now you might be thinking, यार KIT जाके क्या करेंगे, पैसे बर्बाद हो जाएंगे. देखो, अगर आपको लगता है you can pay that amount of fees easily मतलब पेरेंट्स पे बर्डन नहीं आएगा, आप पे बर्डन नहीं आएगा. If you think that it is manageable means, अब ये भी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ यार घर में 1 करोड़ पड़े हुए तभी जाओ, ऐसा भी नहीं. Means manageable means you don't have to do or go through a regression to pay that fees. मतलब बहुत, देखो, India is a place where people from different diversity and different economical background live, and we have to understand the fact that yes, each and everything cannot be good for everyone. Means ये depend करता है segment of people पे. ठीक है, किसी के लिए कुछ अच्छा है तो किसी के लिए कुछ दूसरा अच्छा है. This happened actually, but the thing is like when you are choosing any of the options, ठीक है, you need to take care of your funds, budgets and everything need to be considerated in order to give a proper result. That क्या रहना सही रहेगा. बहुत लोग आपको बोलेंगे यार पैसा मत देखो, everything is not money. But yes, अरे यार पैसा नहीं देखेंगे तो आप क्या, मतलब कि if you are not able to pay, why to go there? Because you are having a similar options in budget pricing also. बस क्या है, थोड़ा अगर पैसे कम लग रहे तो बहुत सारी चीज़ में कट ऑफ होंगे. लाइक आपको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कट ऑफ रहेगा, आपको एक्सपोजर कट ऑफ रहेगा, मे बी रिसोर्सेज कट ऑफ होगा. बट अगर आप मान लो कि आप यू कैन नॉट गो फॉर दैट, यू कैन नॉट पुट योर फैमिली इन बर्डन, तो क्यों जाना. अब सवाल आता है कि फेज 2 काउंसलिंग में किसको फीस डालना चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले मैं बता रहा हूँ, इफ यू थिंक दैट यू विल बी एबल टू easily manage, easily not, it is manageable, the fees is manageable, it's a good place in terms of exposure and all. Okay, you will be getting lots of n number of opportunities like any of the other private engineering college that you are thinking for or that you will be getting over here. Why KIT is better than ITR? So I would be telling that KIT is somehow little bit renowned than IIT here. Like in KIT, people from different diversity, people from Hyderabad, Bangalore also are coming in to take admission. In fact, abroad people are also there. Now ITR people will comment यार हमारे पास भी abroad student है, ठीक है मैं मानता हूँ, but yes, little bit KIT is higher in the name, in the sake of the name. Okay, the infrastructure and exposure that you will be getting in KIT will be much better than IIT here. In fact, the kind of tie-ups, the kind of opportunity, that kind of efforts they put for the students are quite high. Means it's a kind of an advanced college, advanced private engineering college if you are comparing. Okay, it's good. I'm not telling ITR is bad or something like that. It's like you are saving 4-5 lakhs there, so you have to compromise with little bit of thing. Like in ITR, you may the infrastructure cannot meet with KIT. Definitely they cannot meet. After that, the kind of resources that KIT is having cannot meet in IITR. After that, if you are talking about placement, it's almost as far as KIT only, totally depending upon the crowd who are studying there. Placement उस पर depend करता है hopefully, but हाँ सब कुछ same है. But the thing is like KIT अगर आप पैसे को साइड कर दो, पैसे को हटा दो, तो KIT is slightly higher, on the higher side, whereas it is little bit lower side. ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा, ये मेरी personal choice है, because KIT gives you a number of opportunities, being a technical and non-technical events, everything is there. Okay, so the thing is like आपको जाना चाहिए या नहीं, क्यों जाना चाहिए और काहे जाना चाहिए. So like phase 2 counseling में 75,000 मांग रहे हैं. Many of you might be in the doubt, यार मैं पैसा डालूँ या ना डालूँ. तो सबसे पहले जान लो कि 65,000 आपको वापस आ जाएगा if you are getting some other options, okay, similar option or good option than that. After that, if you are thinking that यार अब तो कोई कॉलेज बचा नहीं है, मैं मैनेजमेंट कोटा से ही हमको कहीं लेना पड़ेगा, तो उससे बेटर है यार KIT में अगर आपको कुछ डिसेंट ब्रांचेस मिल रहा है जो आपके लेवल को मैच कर जाए, तो वहां चले जाओ, पैसे पे करो, 75,000 यू कैन गेट दैट. आफ्टर दैट यू माइट बी थिंकिंग ऑल्सो कि ITR ही ले लेना सही रहेगा, 4-5 लाख की सेविंग तो हो जाएगी, बट so and you think that it's a budget for you, then you can move. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है भाई, कहीं भी ले सकते हो, totally depend upon you and the kind of market scenario. मार्केट अच्छी रहेगी यार, हर जगह कंपनी भर के आएंगे. मार्केट सिनेरियो खराब रहेगी यार, हर कॉलेज ध्वस्त रहेगी. बट यस, KIT put little extra effort for student, that's very true fact. In fact, ITR also put, but it's like KIT is on the slightly higher side if you are not considering the fees, क्योंकि 4 लाख की फीस डिफरेंस है, 4-5 लाख ज़्यादा लगता है KIT में. एंड दैट्स many of बहुत लोगों के लिए बहुत मैटर भी करता है, एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड, कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, नाउ यू अदर पीपल माइट बी थिंकिंग, अब ये दोनों ऑप्शन तो हटाओ यार, इसके अलावा कहाँ जा सकते हैं. तो देख, उड़ीसा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में बहुत ऑप्शंस बने हुए हैं. If you want to study in East India or in Odisha only, there are n number of options available. You can, if you want that your budget should go around 10 lakhs or below that, you can definitely go to Silicon. You can definitely try CV Raman. You can definitely try Gandhi Institute of groups of institution. You can try all this college. In fact, right now I am getting aware that Trident and all are also very good college. So it's not like that you will be समवेयर डैट बहुत खराब कॉलेज है, वो सब भी बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है. तो वहाँ भी आप जा सकते हो, बहुत ही सिंपल ऑप्शन है. जस्ट यू नीड a little bit of confidence, just you gain little bit of confidence and you can definitely settle over there. After that, there are n number of colleges in Bangalore. Like in Bangalore, you can find n number of colleges. Like if you are getting BMS, you are getting Bangalore Institute of Technology, CMR IIT, you are getting Ramaiah Institute of Technology, you are getting Dayanand Sagar Institute of Technology, PES University. You are the better option also, because the kind of exposure you will be getting over here will be better, on a slightly higher side. And in fact, you will be saving around 8 to 9 lakhs in the tuition fees. But yes, Bangalore, the living cost and the total expenditure will be little higher than Bhubaneswar. But yes, you will be saving in this case also. So definitely you will be consolidated with all these things that you are thinking about. And if you think that यार थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं, अच्छा रहेगा, सही रहेगा, then definitely join. If you want some personal connect कि यार कि जाना सही रहेगा या नहीं, you can also book a personal slot with me, 1-to-1 slot. Over there we can discuss on this topic. And after that, if you think that this video was little bit of informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friend group. We'll meet you soon with the new informative content. तब तक के लिए take care and all the best for all your upcoming interviews, placement drive, job onboarding process and everything that you are planning for. चलो मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में नई informative content के साथ. तब तक के लिए bye.